Stuck in a windowless office or working from a dimly lit corner of your home? Don't worry, your dream of having lush greenery around your workspace is still possible. Believe it or not, some of the best desk plants actually thrive without sunlight. In fact, they prefer it that way. But which ones? And why do they flourish where others fail? Stick around, because today we're uncovering the top office desk plants that need zero direct sunlight, and one of them might even purify the air you breathe every day. Let's face it, most offices aren't designed with plants in mind. Harsh artificial lighting, poor ventilation, and zero natural sunlight can turn them into a plant's worst nightmare. But here's the twist: plants evolved under dense jungle canopies, where sunlight rarely touches the forest floor. These natural survivors have adapted to thrive in shade, making them perfect desk companions in modern workspaces. ZZ plant. Nicknamed the eternity plant, this one's practically indestructible. The ZZ plant thrives on neglect, doesn't need direct light, and even tolerates dry air and occasional mist waterings. Its thick, waxy leaves are not just beautiful, they store water like a camel. Snake plant. Also known as motherin, law's tongue, this upright, sword-like plant filters out toxins and thrives in fluorescent light. You can forget it for weeks, and it'll still look like you just brought it home. Pothos. The pothos is often called the beginner's best friend. With trailing vines that look stunning in hanging pots or draped along shelves, pothos adapts to low light and keeps growing, slowly but steadily. Peace lily. Elegant and minimal. The peace lily not only thrives in shade, but also blooms in it. Plus, it's a superstar at removing mold spores and toxins from indoor air, according to that same NASA study. Lucky bamboo. His desk-sized bundle of good fortune isn't actually bamboo, it's a Dracaena. But it's low maintenance, grows in water or soil, and brings calming energy to any workspace. Cast iron plant. Just like the name suggests, the cast iron plant is tough. It's native to forest floors and doesn't care about light, water, or attention. Just place it and forget it. Aglaonema. With variegated leaves and striking patterns, aglaonema adds visual interest to your desk without needing a drop of direct sunlight. It's popular in hotels and office lobbies for a reason. Even though these plants don't need sunlight, they still need love. Rotate them every couple of weeks so they grow evenly. Wipe dust off leaves to help them breathe. And don't overwater. Most deaths come from too much TLC.